How to download designs from Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design you want to download. You can also create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button and completing your design before downloading. Once your design is ready, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose your preferred file type such as PNG, JPG, PDF Standard, PDF Print, MP4 Video, or GIF depending on your project type. You can also select specific pages to download if your project has multiple pages. Next, adjust the settings if needed. For example, you can choose transparent background for PNG files or compress the file size. Once everything is set, click Download. The design will begin downloading to your PC. Once downloaded, you can open the file from your Downloads folder and use it for printing, sharing online, or posting on social media. Now you know how to download designs from Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.